Hi, Florette here with inkon3, and I am so excited to share with you the amazing Ink Off stamp cleaning system. This is the Ink Off pad. The directions are on the back, and the cleaner is already in the pad. So it's like an ink pad, but it's the cleaner. So you just dab it on. I'm going to show you how to use it. It works on even permanent inks. It's amazing. It is a total game changer. It actually makes stamp cleaning fun. It's just like inking up a stamp. Instead, we're putting our cleaner on. So it works with your clear stamps as well as your red rubber stamps, and you can clean other things with it too, which I'll show you. So here is the Blackout Detail ink. It's a permanent ink and it's really black, and that's why I wanted to use it. So you can see how easily I clean off this really dark black permanent ink. Oh my gosh, it's so much fun. I mean, how many times do you not clean your stamps because it's such a chore? This makes it easy and fun. It's just, you're going to be cleaning all your stamps. So there, I stamped that on. You can see it's a nice, rich black ink. And now I'm going to grab the Ink Off cloth. It's the highest quality microfiber you can get, and it's just, we're just kind of wiping off some of the excess ink first before we put our cleaning pad down on it. We're going to grab our Ink Off pad. Here it is, and it starts off as a nice bright white, and it is going to get inked up as you use it, but it will continue to work even after it gets dark with your ink. But you can see, look at all that ink it removed. Super easy, super quick. And here I'm showing you how it gets after you use it a bunch of times, but it's not going to stop working. It's going to continue to work. And we are coming out with a refill so that you can refill it, so you can use it over and over again. So now I'm taking my Ink Off cloth and just wiping away the cleaner as well as the ink. Super easy. And look at this. It's already clean, ready to use. Look at how sparkling. It's like a brand new stamp again. It's just so amazing, so much fun. It's going to be a game changer. You're going to love cleaning your stamps. It is just so much fun. So now we have the Ink Off cloth with the Ink Off cleaner. It's a complete cleaning system for your stamps. And when you want to clean the Ink Off cloth, you just toss it in the wash, toss it in the dryer, you're good to go. It works with colored inks, permanent inks, water reactive inks, all the dye inks. It really just cleans everything, even your MISTI or your matte. So I'll show you real quick. You can clean your mat. I put a little permanent ink down. I'm going to grab my Ink Off cloth, which always looks great. That purple color is just amazing. Even with all the ink on it, as you use it, it's going to continue to look nice in your craft room. So I'm going to add some of the Ink Off cleaner. Look at all that ink that came off. And now I'm going to have a perfectly clean mat once I wipe it off. I guarantee you will absolutely love it. It's so much fun. You are going to enjoy cleaning your stamps. Ink Off cleaner and Ink Off cloth. Hope you'll hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.